It's a lovely day right here on Booze Clues. What you doing, Leona?
I am building something with my Legos this morning. Thank you for joining me here on Booze Clues. Today, Miss Linda, what letter do you think we're going to be doing today? Today, our letter is the letter L. L. The phonetic sound I'm listening for at the beginning of our objects is L. L. It's like putting the top of your mouth. L. The action is licking a lollipop. L. 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 Leona. Linda. L. Can you hear it? Okay, here we go. The sound I'm listening for is The action is So let's have a look at my table today, and tell me. Let's start over here. Thank goodness I have this light in case I get lost in the dark. Here is a rock, light, globe. Here is my lollipop, letter L. I better take my vitamins, vitamin D, vitamins. I have my Legos. I have my little friend, the goat, goat. I have my race car. I may have to put my lotion on my hand with some nail polish. We have lots of leaves outside and the letter L. L. Can you hear the sound, the phonetic sound in any of these objects here? Ooh, ooh. Ready? How about we write the letter? Miss Linda, should we write the letter?
I like writing letters.
She almost got me. I hear you. Okay, Miss Linda and Miss Leona today are writing the letter L. We are going to start in the middle.
Lousy memory.
How about we start here right at the top?
That's better.
Okay, here we go. Start at the top. I go all the way down. Uppercase letter. And stop. And across. Oh, these guys just bumped out of there. Across. L. Ooh. Lowercase L. This is one of the easiest letters. I think Miss Linda would get it wrong, but let's try. Ready? Think you can do that?
Love it.
Uppercase L. Start here. Down. Stop. And across. Yeah, that one popped out of there. Lowercase L is down. L. Ooh. Ooh. The action is lollipop. Ooh. Ooh. Look one more time on my table. I hope you can identify everything that begins with the letter L. Ooh. Thank you for joining me today on Booze Clues. Hope to see you again. Bye.